So in this video we are going to learn simultaneous equations and polynomial solver. We will use Casio Classwiz and will understand how do we solve simultaneous equations and a polynomial. So for instance, I have two linear equation here, 6x minus 2y equals to 4 and 5x plus 3y equals to 11. We would like to solve the simultaneous equations, and then we have a 2-degree polynomial equation, x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So we'll solve these two questions one by one. Let me quickly open up Classwiz and I'll go to equation solver there and I'll select simultaneous equation first. This asks you what is the number of unknowns. So we have x and y there, so I'll say 2, and then we had to put in the equation the coefficient. So if I could quickly go to, I have coefficient as 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 2 4. Please remember here the equation format is ax plus by equals to c, same as we have. If the question is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, you need to change the constant term. Okay, and the coefficient for second equation is 5, 3 and 11. So I'll put in 5, 3 and 11. So we have the coefficient in constant term entered. We'll just hit equals to and we'll get the value of x is 17 and 17 over 14 and y is 23 over 14. You can push SD button to convert this into decimal as well, and then you can click AC to go back and solve a second set of simultaneous equations. Should you like to solve a 3-degree simultaneous with a set of 3 equations with 3 unknowns, so 3 variables or 4, you can select the needful settings from here. Anyway, now what we are going to do, we'll go back to the equation and this time we'll solve a polynomial. That will be the second part of our question. If I go back, my equation is that's a 2-degree equation, x square minus 5x plus 6. So I'll say 2 degree, and again here I need to fill in our coefficient. So I'll say 1, negative 5 and 6. After putting in the coefficient, you hit equals to again and it gives you your first root as 3, second root as 2, and something special about Classwiz that gives you minimum as well. One of the other thing, you might be knowing Casio has QR code. If you don't know about QR code, you can click on the above mentioned link, and when you go to this QR code link, it takes you to a page where you can see the graph as well. If you have a calculator, you can scan the QR code and you would come to this page, so you can do visualization as well. So hope you could understand how do we do it. Please like the video if you enjoy it and subscribe to the channel for our future videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.